Imagine a world where dehydration is a thing of the past, and staying hydrated is as easy as sipping on a refreshing drink. But here's the shocking truth. The age-old advice to drink 8 glasses of water a day is not only outdated, but also inadequate. The reality is that our bodies have unique hydration needs that depend on a multitude of factors, including age, activity level, climate, and even life stages like pregnancy or breastfeeding. So, what's the best way to stay hydrated? According to Nausheen Shaikh, a renowned nutritionist and diet consultant at Alive Health, the key lies in exploring natural, nutrient-rich drinks that go beyond plain water. In an exclusive interview with HT Lifestyle, Shaikh revealed 5 incredible hydration hacks that will quench your thirst, replenish electrolytes, and support digestion. But before we dive into these amazing drinks, let's talk about why hydration is so crucial. When you don't get enough fluids, dehydration can sneak up on you, causing fatigue, headaches, and a host of other problems. So what are these miracle drinks? Firstly, there's coconut water, which is packed with electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium. This natural wonder helps replenish lost fluids, keeping your body refreshed and rejuvenated. Unlike sugary sports drinks, coconut water is low in calories and free from artificial additives, making it a healthy choice for staying hydrated. Next up is infused water, which is perfect for those who find plain water too boring. Simply add slices of fresh fruits like apples, mint leaves, or kiwi, and you'll have a flavorful drink that's not only refreshing, but also rich in antioxidants. You can even add a teaspoon of basil seeds for an extra cooling effect. Another great option is lemon water, which combines the benefits of water and fresh lemon juice to detoxify the body, improve digestion, and maintain hydration levels. Adding a pinch of salt or honey enhances its benefits, making it a perfect drink for hot days. Buttermilk is another excellent choice, made by mixing curd with water and adding spices like cumin and mint. This probiotic-rich drink promotes gut health while keeping you hydrated and refreshed. Last but not least, there's watermelon juice, which helps maintain electrolyte balance, supports digestion, and provides a dose of antioxidants that protect the body from heat and stress. Adding a squeeze of lime or a pinch of black salt enhances its flavor and cooling effects. So there you have it. 5 amazing drinks that will take your hydration game to the next level. As Shaikh so aptly puts it, hydration doesn't have to feel like a chore. It can be refreshing, flavorful, and nourishing. But here's where it gets controversial. Some experts argue that these alternative drinks may not be suitable for everyone, particularly those with certain medical conditions. And this is the part most people miss. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your hydration routine. So, what do you think? Are these hydration hacks a game changer? Or do you have your own favorite ways to stay hydrated? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation about the best ways to quench our thirst and nourish our bodies. Note to readers: this article is for informational purposes only, and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always seek the advice of your doctor with any questions about a medical condition.